Alright, it's getting late and I seem to have found myself in a slide area on the 3353, I believe. But I'm going to try to get across it and I'm going to see if I can't film myself doing it. I think I might be able to angle this. It's kind of rough. I have a car. A Mercury Racer Tracer. And then, if I can make it across those and these up to here, I'm going to have to try to navigate yeah. I can't even show you how friggin' steep it is. What's wrong with life? Anyways, not pretty. No bueno. Alright, here I go.